guys, hope you're doing well. Firstly, thank you so much for all the love that you've shown my first plushie video. I really appreciate it. In fact, I've been getting all the rooms in my house ready for summer, and how can I leave out my daughter's room? So today I'm going to show you all the stuff that I got from Plushie for my daughter's room. And there are a lot of surprises in it for you because let me give you a little background. So she moved into her room a couple of months back, and it was a room that was already furnished, and it has a lot of wooden elements in it, and I didn't want to really make too many changes or spend too much. So my idea is to kind of add a nice soft touch to the room by changing some of its furnishings and adding little elements that add that whole really cute vibe to the room whilst not having to spend too much. And yeah, so that's what I've kept in mind while ordering all the stuff from Plushie as well. Let me take you onto it, and then maybe I can explain what I plan to use how. So if you go onto the Plushie website, you're really going to be spoiled for choice because they have the cutest stuff for kids. Something like this blanket that I ordered. Look at this, it's such a cute little bear design, and this again are all cotton knits. They're all certified, don't use any harmful chemicals, so they're safe to use even for newborns. And they're of course machine washable, easy to maintain, and just so adorable. I can't tell you, like, this blanket is just something that I had wanted for a really long time. This is a size that can be used for kids of all ages, and again, it's just perfect to kind of add that little element of cuteness to the room. Along with this blanket, I also ordered some baby blankets, something like this. Now you'd wonder, why would I get baby blankets when my child is a little older? So let me tell you why. So I wanted, like I said, I wanted to add a little soft touch to the room, and I normally use throws to do that all over the house. So for her furniture, throws that I have are usually too big, and these baby blankets are just perfect. So I'm going to use this in her reading corner on her armchair as a throw. And just look at it, it's such a cute pattern, and with this little scallops in the side, I'm sure it's going to look really adorable. To go with this, so they have a lovely range of plush toys as well, which are great for decor as well as for play. So I ordered this really cute little elephant plush toy, which is also like a nice snuggly thing again for her reading nook to match both of these together. It can also be like a little cushion or just something she can grab onto when she's reading. So this is what I got for her reading corner. And another one that I got, which I absolutely love, is this unicorn pattern one. This is so cute, I can't tell you. I wish we had all this when we were growing up. Just look at this. Such a cute one, and again, this is in their cotton weaves. It has this really nice little glitter element to it. So this again is a blanket, but I'm planning to use it again as a throw or a mat in her play area, which is why I got this with a matching toy basket. Just look at this, so cute, isn't this? So I really love toy baskets for her because they're a great way to kind of organize her stuff and yet make the room look really nice and cute. And now that these two are matching, I can't wait to use them in her room. To go with these, so yes, clearly she's obsessed with unicorns right now. So I also ordered this really cute plush toy, which is this unicorn wearing a cute little tutu skirt. I'm sure she's going to go nuts over this one, and it's going to kind of also add a little bit of a decor element besides being a great companion for her pretend plays. And you know, generally kids just love such stuff, and because it is so like well made, you don't mind kids playing with it. Like, I've never liked those really furry toys, so this is just perfect for her room. I also got another toy. I know I look more excited than maybe she is, but just look at this stuff. It's so cute. So this one is in their combed cotton fabric, and this one's gonna sit on her bed, keeping an eye on her while she sleeps. Isn't it cute? Another one that I got is this. Look at it. This is such cute stuff. Yeah, I mean, just look at it. So this one's again in their really signature knit, and it's like a plush toy, and it's actually a bag. So So she loves to carry bags around and also likes to take toys around. So this one's a great option because it's a toy, it's lightweight, and it has a little pocket behind for her to keep like her mask, her sanitizer, handkerchief, some little knickknacks, and she can carry this around. Plus I think it'll look really cute even hung in the room. So I kind of got this for her as well. And last but not the least, I also ordered some cotton masks because it's summers and I wanted something which is a little more breathable. I kind of ordered these ones for Plushy. They have very cute patterns. You can see this one's like a nice car design. These are nice stripes. This was like a set of 3 that they had, and this one's really cute. It's got a nice kitty cat design that I really like. Of course, our favorite is the one that we've been wearing and roaming around all day in the house as well. It's this little heart one. Isn't it adorable? I hope you guys enjoyed the shopping as much as we did. Do leave a comment below if you did. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.